Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Anjali from Angie and Joe's channel, and today I am here with you to share our Nykaa haul. So हमने सोचा कि let's buy some stuff. बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो ख़त्म हो गई थी, तो why not try new things? So I have a list of things that I'm gonna share with you कि मैंने क्या खरीदा, क्यों खरीदा. And let's quickly jump in the video, but उससे पहले don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. So the first product in the list is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finishing Spray Setting Spray. So I am someone who wants the makeup to be at one place. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता है makeup इधर उधर हो जाए. When you are going through so much trouble, आप इतना मेहनत करके you create a base and you do all that and you want it to be at one place. So you should get a setting spray. So I have got this one. This is 449 rupees. I got it from Nykaa. So this is for 449 rupees. Original price is 600. But कुछ सेल चल रहा था, so I got it for 449. So the second product we have is a Wet n Wild color corrector palette, concealer palette. So this product has both brightens, neutralizer, cover and highlighter. So the brighten one helps you brighten the skin. The neutralizes is in green color. See, so it will help you color correct. The covers are all for the black spots if you want to hide anything, and highlighter is for highlighting. I have used this palette on my face today. So the highlighter is from this palette. I think it's pretty good. I'm using it for the first time. So this is for what? The MRP of this product is 450. I got it for the same price. I think it's 440 I got it for. But yes, I got this and I have tried it on my face today and it's pretty good product. So the third product in the list is this pack foundation. I really like the packaging. See, so it's beautifully packed. I have opened it up. I have used it on my face today. So the coverage is pretty good, you can see. Or this is for 875 rupees. There is no sale in this, and I got the shade 2.7 because it works for me. I think I like it. And the foundation is really nice. After it sets on your face, it stays for the whole day. I have used a setting spray as well, so I am going to blame it on that. But before that also, it stays on your face, or the coverage is really good. I have used 2 pumps of it and it's still there. I did my makeup in the morning and the makeup is still intact. So yes, this is the foundation that I got. So the fourth one is again Wet n Wild Brow Pencil. I got it for 224 rupees and the MRP for this product is 299. So you'll get it for 224, and in 224 it's pretty good. I have again used this on my face today, and the brow pencil is really nice. The pigment is really nice, so it covers it looks natural. So yeah, I would suggest you go buy this. Then the fifth product I got. I love buying makeup brushes, so if I have to apply using a brush, I am a little reluctant for foundation, but otherwise I think makeup brushes are really great. So I have for the first time got a concealer brush. So this is again Wet n Wild concealer brush, and this is E788 brush. It is for 221 rupees, and for 221 rupees the brush is really good. So I have used it to blend my concealer today. See, there's this holding thing which is there, so you can hold your brush from here, and it's really nice. So the another product I got is this Color Bar moisturizer. So previously I was using Body Shop Vitamin C and I read really nice reviews about it. So I am going to try this one and give you guys a review. I have no idea how it is. So yeah, after that comes this. This is a Nykaa makeup brush silicone cleaner. So I have got this for 300 rupees. See, it's like this. So it's very important that you follow your makeup, cleaning the makeup brushes after you have used them. So it's a good product, because previously I used to soak them in the cleaning liquid and then I used to wash them. So I think this is a pretty good deal. So it's for $2.99 only. So I got this one more moisturizer from Nykaa. I have seen a lot of YouTube videos that this is a dupe of Clinique Moisture Surge, and it's a pretty good deal. I got this for 809 rupees, and you can see from that it's a pretty big cream. I'm gonna open it and see. See the size of this. So it's a pretty big container for just 800 rupees, and if it's gonna be anything like Clinique one, so that one costs you around 1400-1500, but then it's worth it. So this is made in India, Dermafique Aqua Cloud Hydrating Creme. So I'm gonna try it and then let you know how it turns out to be. So I've just opened it today. So another products I purchased are these two eye palettes, Nicka K Makeup. I think I know for a fact that these are the dupes of Huda Beauty one. So I always wanted to buy the neon one. So this one cost me around this one was 350, and this one was 300. The original price is around 600 and 599, but I have seen they are always on sale. So you will get them in 300 and 350, and I have used it in my on my eyes today. So I think the product is good. The pigmentation is also good, but the shimmer shades, they fall out a lot. So I tried, I'll show you which one I tried. I tried this shade today, and then it turned out to be a little more flaky. But other than that, the colors are really bright, and it's a good deal if you're gonna get it for just 300 bucks. So another product is this Coat Me Oat from BioBlush. So I see a lot of ads on Nykaa for this one, so I thought why not try it, and I have seen people using oat face packs. So I think I'm gonna try it and let you know. This one is for 580 rupees, and I got it for 464. There was some discount that was going on, that's why. So this is the product. Yeah, so it smells like oats, very natural. It has oats, honey, and what else? Oats, honey, cocoa butter. So let's try this and get a review of this. So the last one is this Garnier Eye Serum Mask. So I like these eye masks. They are very hydrating, and since I get a lot of dry under eyes, I tend to use a lot of this mask. So at the Garnier one I am trying for the first time. This is for 100 rupees. I have tried a previous collagen mask which is in gold color. You get it in Nykaa. I'll put the link down below. So this one is just for 100 bucks. So I'm going to try it and let you know that how it is. So that is it. That is our haul. So none of these products are sponsored. I have purchased it by myself. For me, I wanted to try all these products, and that's why I've got them. So if you have any queries, you want me to review any of the product, do let me know in the comment box. And if you also go on a shopping spree like this, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.